Welcome back to this video. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to see who you block on Facebook. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on my Facebook account right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon from the top side. Click on that. Open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on settings and privacy. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for blocking. So you are here. Then from here, you can unblock, or better still, you can add more people to your blocking list on Facebook. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.